everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and today we are discussing top items that I cannot travel without. This is a travel season, this is summer, and everybody loves to travel in summer, also in winter. So different part of the world is having winter. So no matter what season it is, you can always use these items no matter what. Without further ado, let's dive in. My item number one, peel organizer box. This is a peel organizer box and I am using it for quite some time. I bought it like 5 years ago from Miniso, Malaysia, and I'm still using it. It is not only my travel, I am using it on my daily basis. So once you have it, you know how much you need this. If you don't have it, go ahead and buy yourself one, but make sure you buy at airtight quality. There are so many peel organizers available in the world. Any online site will have some kind of airtight quality. Just check it before you buy it. My item number two is a fan. This is a USB type B charging capacity and it is quite strong. So when I'm traveling to a summer destination, I use it, and when I feel hot, I always use it. It is generally tagged around with my carry-on bag and a personal item bag. So whenever I need it, I can use it at a ease. My item number three is Kindle. I love to read. A lot of people love to read, but with a lot of books, you cannot carry it with a carry-on. It adds your space, it adds up on your weight limit. So if you like to read and if you're a longer period of time on a holiday, you should use a Kindle, and you can use all the books that you need with an ease. So I have it. I bought it from Amazon India, and I live in Bangladesh. I don't have Amazon near me, so when I'm traveling to India, I generally buy it. And this is such a game changer. I use it for a long time. I'm using it for about like 7 years, and I love every bit of it. You should too. My item number four, thermal water bottle. If you're traveling to a warm climate, so you can put your cold water. If you're traveling to a colder climate, you can put hot water in here. And this is such a game changer. If you use it, you know it. If you don't have it, go ahead and buy yourself one. Mine is Milton. I bought it from India as well, and I love it. If I don't use it only when I travel, I use it on my daily basis. It is a part of my travel day backpack, and even on a daily basis when I go to work, I go to outside, I have it in my bag. Just if you don't have it, go ahead and buy yourself one, and you will know that you are loving it. Item number five is Toiletry Bag. This is a new edition. I haven't traveled it with, but I really like it. It has a diagonal shape, and this is such a lovely, it has a handle to carry. It is a diagonal chain. You open it and voila, you have so many things. It stays flat on your counter, and I have all kinds of makeup and night routine and my skincare, everything, pretty much everything is in here. I have a separate toiletry bag, but that is a very small one for my shower only. So this is a new addition to my travel items, and I am excited to use it for the next travel. So my item number six is umbrella. This is from Miniso. I use it for a long time. This is an automatic one, and it opens like this. It has a cover, and when I use it in the rain and I need to put it in my bag, I can use the cover. I'm using it for a long time. This is a trustworthy, this is very high quality. And one thing I believe in real life, that you should always buy a high quality product over a low quality cheap product, because end of the day you will have to replace it after some time. So when you buy a high quality, it stays with you for a longer period of time. You don't have to go ahead and buy a new one to replace it. So buy a high quality product. My item number seven is a mixer. This is I use for my coffee. It's a electronic one. It doesn't have any battery, so it is charged through a plug. I need to charge it like once in 7 days if I use it like 2-3 times a day. And sometimes I make coffee for my friends, for the acquaintances that I'm traveling with, and for the acquaintances that I am staying with. Sometimes I travel via Couchsurfing, and Couchsurfing is a great travel app that enables me to travel for free. I only need to spend on my commute or my travel expenditure. I don't have to spend anything on my accommodation. I get free accommodation from people who are on Couchsurfing and their hosts. So I look for hosts different places. I have separate stuff like I need to have a private bedroom, I need to have an AC. Even on Couchsurfing you can find those kind of hosts. So they can offer you private bedroom with an attached bathroom with AC and all kind of amenities. So Couchsurfing does not necessarily mean you are travel very cheap, and so you're traveling very cheap, but you are also traveling with quality. So this is for my coffee mainly, but sometimes I use juice and all. I don't use it to blend my eggs or anything like that because I don't like the smell of egg. So I use it basically for my coffee and tea. My next item is sunglass. I have prescription glass and my sunglass is also prescription, and I really like it. And without a sunglass I pretty much cannot travel. And this is a prescription glass and I really like it, and you should have a sunglass as well whenever you are traveling or wherever you're traveling. This is a must have for me. Maybe it's not for you, so if it's for you, try to buy a high quality one. Mine is a high quality one. I am using it for at least 4 years, and this gives me so much of joy to use my sunglass on a daily basis. My next item is Multiplier. When I travel, I have quite a lot of gadgets. You have seen my coffee mixer and my USB fan. So I have quite a lot of gadgets and I need to charge them on a daily basis. So I have like 3 plugs and I have 3 USB here. So all my gadgets can be charged at one go. I'm a YouTuber, that means I have camera gears and all. I have my phone, I have my laptop. So I want all the gears to charge at once. So I can charge at least 6 gears in this multi-plug, and I really love it. Sometimes when you live at some place, you don't have the socket point near your bed or where you need to use it. So it has a cord, that means it enables me to travel. It enables me to use it a little different place than the socket is located. My next item is a Bluetooth selfie stick. I usually travel by myself and I can tuck my phone in here. It has a light and it has a USB, so that helps me to take my own photo just like this. I can go anywhere, I can place my Bluetooth and I can take photos in every angle possible. So I don't have to ask anybody, I don't have to wait for other people, I don't have to travel with people. I can take my own picture by myself, and I am independent in here, and I really love this about this. I sometimes also record some videos of my B-rolls and all when I'm traveling, so this is a must-have for me. My next item is stretching band. I'm a health enthusiast and I do exercise pretty much every day, and this helps me to stretch my body to my core. And when I'm traveling, I have a lot of stress on my body, on my shoulders, on my feet, because I'm walking a lot, I'm carrying my heavy bag all the time. So this helps me to stay fit, and this does not take much space. It holds on your palm, so it does not take any space on your bag. So if you are a health enthusiast or you want to be a health enthusiast, this is a great piece that you can invest on. These are available pretty much everywhere, all kind of sports shop, health shop, or travel shop, that fitness section. You can go ahead and buy on Amazon or any other online platform that you are comfortable with. My next item is a microfiber cloth. It can be this cloth, it can be this cloth. I usually use this for my face and my hand and my body, and this I use on my gadget. It helps me to clean my glasses, my devices, or any other electronics that I'm carrying with, and this does not press a lot of stress on my face or my skin. So microfiber cloth is a great piece of investment. If you want to invest on your body, on your electronic gadgets, you should invest on a microfiber cloth. My next item is battery bank. This is a very tiny, I bought it from Amazon India, and this is called URBN Urban. This charges my iPhone twice. So it has 10,000 mAh and takes around 3 hours to be fully charged. And my last item is some kind of tech organizer. I have a bigger one, so if I'm traveling for a longer period of time, maybe for 2 months or 1 month, I usually carry my bigger tech bag. Or if it's a short trip, then I use 2 different kinds. So one is my computer accessories, one is my camera accessories, and I really like it. It helps me to stay organized, and I love it. That's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching our videos. See you soon.